What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back into another Jacob Crypto Bury video. I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you are, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new here. We're going to explore lots of things on this channel: DeFi, staking, move to earn, play to earn, metaverse, the list goes on, and really we're going to be looking at how to best maximize this bear market, which could last a year or two or even three. We do not know yet. How we can maximize basically the undervaluation that we are seeing now with altcoins, cryptocurrency, blue chips, and how we can best hodl onto these projects and maximize profit for the future. So if you like all that kind of stuff, make sure you stick around, comment, like, leave a subscribe, and let's crack on. So Sand, for me, I'm seeing some really nice tweets at the moment as well. I think this is a fantastic undervaluation zone. When we look at where we are and how far we have come, you can really see from probably January 2021, when you take a look at that fib retracement, we're now falling below that 0.786, so we're ready to start reaccumulating, in my humble opinion. We can also see that the overall correction size that we did have from the market cycle top to bottom has been about 87% so far, which I suppose can suggest that, you know, really, it is possible to come down a little bit more. I don't think another 90%, absolutely not. But perhaps just a few more percentiles, just down to maybe that $1 region, should it happen, should we see Bitcoin reach down to that 200-week moving average. So why am I so bullish on SANDBOX right now? Well, cash reserves, guys. We need investments, and that's what works. And you see here, we encourage creators around the world. It's vital that we support the metaverse ecosystem, which is why they are investing 175 million plus USD to ensure stability and sustain the community growth. So that's extremely bullish news, guys. This means they've got cash reserves to maintain publicity, marketing, networking. They can actually focus on development at the same time and keep the whole ecosystem growing behind the scenes, even through the most bearish scenarios. We've also got another tweet here just literally 2 days ago. The metaverse is about to get a little bit funkier. Welcome Jamiroquai HQ to the SANDBOX, where they will provide a communal place to digitally connect with fans and fellow music lovers. I personally think this is probably a decentralized social platform or something like that. But yeah, it's pretty cool to actually see this. I do quite like I've got the lens protocol that they're releasing, but yeah, very interesting to see that kind of activity. What we're going to look at now is basically some price speculation analysis for SAND. We can see a very sensitive area where we are right now trading, because we did actually fall below this particular level just the once, but this is a key level because of the support we had written in from the 31st of August 2021. Now, what I'm seeing on this particular daily time frame is a potential bear pennant, and you can measure this out from the top of this swing high to this swing bottom. And once you take the swing low and you put this at the end of the pennant, it does make us think, okay, can we come down to $0.48? Is it a possibility? Well, I personally think that we are bottomed out as for now, and we are ready to get that bounce, because when we look at the Bitcoin chart and we look at the RSI, when we look retrospectively again, I'm going to show you right over here. Where's our RSI? It just vanished from me. So basically, we can see on the RSI, looking down below, we're down to this 33 region on the RSI, and we had that again on March 2020. So that's the last time it happened, 2 entire years ago. There's a correlation here. And what I'm seeing is that last time it did happen right here, we've got a beautiful pump to the upside. So what I do speculate will happen now is that we do get a retest or a pump to the upside. I think at least about $40,000 before we probably see more rejection and downwards price activity. So that's what I do speculate will happen here with Bitcoin. So we do have an opportunity to actually go long and potentially trade SAND, because I think we're going to break out to the upside with this particular project here. If we look at this symmetrical triangle we're also printing on this particular time frame, it does give us a price target of around $2.01, which is quite a realistic area to look at. Now, we do need to break through this horizontal or diagonal resistance, shall I say, which is also around $1.71. So the price target of breaking out this particular pattern is going to be probably around $1.83 to $2.03. So that's a great take profit, guys. Take profit around those particular levels. And if you want to grab some SAND today, use the link down in the description below. At the top, you can get it in the next 5 minutes. I personally think SAND has a long way to go as well in terms of zooming right out and looking forward to 2025 and even further onwards, if we look at the weekly time frame, for instance, we can use our Fibonacci extension tool, bring this down to the market cycle bottom that we've got so far at 0.99, and this allows us to kind of speculate what sort of prices we could see in the future. So I do anticipate a bounce to the upside, at least a $2.40 or something like this, but I do think it will be followed by, you know, another correction or even more downward movement in the market. I expect a lull, I expect a crypto winter and lots of sideways trading for a while before we kind of explode and then start coming through the resistances, you know, around 2024, 2025 onwards. I do expect to see at least $12 hit, but I think we need this big supply phase, this big accumulation range, which has to last a long time. Guys, bear markets turn into bull markets. Bull markets turn into bear markets. It always happens. It's going to happen. And you want to be scooping up the crypto when, you know, people are complaining that it's a scam and it's no longer exciting or fun. And this is what I speculate will happen. So we might get the momentary bounce to around $1.82. But what the significant message is here, guys, is that this is a nice level for dollar cost averaging to add to your cryptocurrency portfolio, you know, for long-term wealth generation. That's what I think is really, really important. If we also look at the Bitcoin rainbow chart over here, you know, we're coming down to the blue zone, which is basically a buying indicator in itself. So of course you can grab Bitcoin today as well if you want, use the same link down below, but I think seeing this rainbow chart just tells you everything. This is what signifies bear market, bull market. The red zone is overextended, euphoria, greed. The blue zone is anxiety, depression, and lots of fear in the market. And that's what indicates a potential fantastic buying indicator. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Hop along into the Discord channel. There's about 250 people in here at the moment, and hopefully should see you there. If you subscribe to the channel as well, it will automatically enter you to my Twitter giveaway, $100, which can potentially be up for grabs. So I appreciate the view and take care, guys. Stay crypto safe. Bye.